Hey friends, in this tutorial, I will show you how I edit my vlogs using only my mobile phone. Yes, it is possible, so check it out! So the app I use for editing my vlogs is iMovie, and I open the file of the video that I just shot and import it in iMovie. Ayan, pinipreview natin kung gaano kahaba yung video. And the first thing that I do actually is I adjust the volume of the clips because kapag kinat ko na yung mga clips, mahihirapan na akong i-adjust isa-isa yung volume. So, unahin na natin yung volume habang isang buo pa siya. At kapag na-check ko na kung okay na yung volume ng clips, dun tayo magsisimulang mag-cut. So, I use the split tool here in iMovie para ma-cut yung mga clips. I usually cut the ums and the uhs and the awkward pauses. Kaya, kapag napanood niyo yung vlog, dire-diretso na yung pagsasalita ko. Actually, marami akong lull time niyan. And then, I play it, and if it runs smoothly, ayun, okay na tayo. Joke lang, hindi pa. Ayan, okay na. Next, we need to add our characters in the video. So I use this app called Procreate Pocket to draw our main characters, Joseph, Ruth, and Job. So they have different pens and brushes that I can freely use to create my characters. I've also used it in a couple of vlogs in the past where I did freehand calligraphy. Here's where the fun begins, in Adobe Spark Post. So I open the app and I create a new project which, syempre remove watermark muna tayo. And then I choose the size. Of course, it's 16:9 since we're uploading it in YouTube. And I import a screenshot first of the video that I took. That is my basis kung saan ko ilalagay yung mga elements. And then I imported ulo ni Job. Ayan. I was experimenting honestly on how to pop up the characters. So, I created both heads lang and yung half body. So, una, naisip ko ulo lang muna siya. And here, it's a trial and error stage, honestly. I don't have a design in mind at that time. So, I'm plainly experimenting. Adobe Spark Post has different design assets that you can play around with. In this case, I inserted a paper design element behind the font. And yes, you can change the size, you can change the color. Eventually, I will change the color in this tutorial. So here, I'm just trying to crop it to whatever size I want. Haven't decided yet. But basically, ito yung ginagamit ko para mag-design ng mga elements na nagpa-pop up dun sa mga vlogs na ginagawa ko. So here, I've changed the color, I've changed the font. But then I realized, mas maganda yung half body. So, babay head. At ayan na, in-insert ko na yung half body na Job. And you can crop it. Ayan, I cropped it. And I felt like, mas okay pala na half body nga lang. So here we are just doing some finishing touches, adjusting the rotation of the character, of the nameplate, para maging maayos at yun na yung maging standard natin sa ibang characters. And then, after that, we will delete the screenshot of my picture and only export in transparent the element that we have. So next is I will show you how to import that image that we made in Adobe Spark into our iMovie project. So you hit the plus sign. and you search through the images. Ayan. And don't forget to insert it picture in picture. Yeah, that is important for us to note. And so you see that little image without a background. That is how amazing Adobe Spark can help your vlogs, guys. You really have to download it. I think it is also possible sa Canva to import
We all know Joe's story.
PNG files without a background. Now we're resizing it, and we're doing it for all 3 of our characters. And there you go. Now, one of my most used elements in my vlogs is the green screen or the chroma. So we can do it in Adobe Spark. We will create a project, remove the watermark, and make the screen green. So the whole concept of green screen is it removes that green background when you insert it using the chroma effect, and it leaves everything else that is not green. So now I will insert a text that I want to put on top of my video, and I will select an animation that goes well with it, and then I will export it as video animation, say video, and I will do the same to the next text that I want to appear. Now it's time to go back to iMovie and import that text. Click the green screen text that we created and import it as green screen. And magic! Ayan na! Nawala na po yung green doon sa text. And it became part of the video so seamlessly. Here, I keep replaying so that the text will sync with the audio, and I use the freeze tool para ma-adjust yung length ng lumalabas na text. And then I import the next set of text that I made and do the same thing. Isisync lang natin yung boses dun sa text na lumalabas. Yes, it takes a lot of time and patience. And here I realized that this will be the opening sequence, so it has to be catchy. Kaya iniba ko yung color ng background ko using the filters readily available in the iMovie app. So I'll do it with the same half of the clip. And there you go. Green screen idea. GIF images. Yes, in Adobe Spark Post, you have a collection of GIF images that you can easily insert and place it on top of the green screen, and it works just the same. Here, I inserted a GIF of confetti, and as long as it's not green, it will work. Save as video, and we can insert this in our main video. The same idea works. So import the image, click the 3 dots, insert as green screen, and boom, we have confetti. Ang galing, diba? Next step is sound design. Yes, video is visual and audio, so we need to insert certain sound effects to make the video more alive. In this case, I inserted comedy whistle. I used this effect for a joke that I said, and that makes the video more interesting. And the final part of our editing is inserting our background music. In iMovie, they have tons of free music to choose from, and so I preview some of the music here and see if it reflects the overall feel of the video. This video is a bit light and fun, so I'll pick this. So we just click the plus sign and insert that music, and it automatically adjusts the volume according to the voiceover. At pag walang voiceover, dumalakas din yung music. So, napapadali yung buhay ko. Since this is the final stage, I just preview the whole video and adjust the volume if necessary. in this case, I felt like it needed more volume. Since okay na siya, I felt like I needed to add another sound design, and it is from a video that I screen recorded, and you can insert it as audio only. So that pop sound really makes the difference when you're showing elements of the video. See? And so, yeah, that's it. The final touch that I usually put in the video is the last logo. And then I just export it and upload it directly to YouTube. Yay, we're done! And if you're gonna ask where I do my thumbnails, yes, the answer is Adobe Spark Post. So, sobrang dali lang doon mag-edit ng graphics. But I prefer it because it's from scratch. But if you want templates, Canva has a lot of templates ready-made, and you will just edit the text and adjust some things. Thanks for watching this tutorial of how I edit my vlogs using my mobile phone. If you want more content like this where I teach how I personally do things, I'm not an expert in this, but I just want to share how I do it and encourage you that you can also do it. If you have a mobile phone, if you have apps that can help you edit and convey the message that you want the world to know, then you are in for a good start. And I encourage you na ituloy mo yan. I believe that if you have a message worth proclaiming, there is no one and nothing that can stop you from sharing that. And I believe that the Rooftop Project is meant to share the Word of God to all people. And that is why I'm doing this. This is why I'm doing mobile phone vlogging and editing. It is because I don't want to waste any time. That wherever I am, I can edit, I can shoot, and I can share the message of God and the gospel into all the world. And so you should do too. God bless everyone, and we'll see you in the next vlog.